it's dough. I think I did a great job, to be honest. I really did a great job this time. This is huge. Great job again. Well, hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the part 2 of our stupid cooking. Just so you can know, today we kinda have same ingredients, but let's try to cook them in a different way. Because what I mean with same ingredients is that we have the turkey again, but this time we're gonna cook it in a different way. So what I'm gonna do is cut it in small pieces and mix it with onion and green pepper and other stuff, and then all what we have to do is let it to be cooked. This knife is kinda not useful, but I will just use what I have. I will set this one here and deal with the rest. Then the coriander, I really love it to be so much, so no problem. Alright, let's give it a second. I love strawberry, for God's sake. Stuff are ready, so I added the turkey. What I love most about the turkey is that it's really easy to be cooked. Alright, let's throw these over here. This is amazing. Alright, this was a quick dinner, and what I have to do right now is taste and rate it from 1 to 10. Alright, let's do it. I think I did a great job, to be honest. I really did a great job this time. I think I will give it 8.5 out of 10. So, yes. But I think I need to add another meal, which is made of rice, potatoes, eggs, and cheese. Alright, let's do it quickly. Alright, I will use this one. And I will add some oil. And then I should add rice. And some salt. I think now I need to add some water. Alright, let's give it a few minutes. Alright, without wasting time, I need to add these ones to water so I can let them to be boiled. So I think for eggs, I'm gonna leave them for around like 15 minutes and probably 20 minutes for potatoes, so then they should be cooked very well. What's weird about rice is that you need to pay attention adding enough water or it's gonna be burned. This is kind of a pain. Alright, 15 minutes is done. Let's remove the eggs. Alright, cheese is ready and eggs. Let's add some rice. Just need to add a little bit of spices. I mean, it's fine, it's making too much because I love spices anyways. Alright, so this is the ketchup. I really don't know if I should add it to this one, but I don't care, I will do it. And then the last thing, argan oil. This is definitely gonna give it a great taste. Alright, I think I'm done over here. Alright, let's taste what we have cooked so far. I think I will just start with just a little bit over here. Ooh. Ooh. It was awesome. I think I just need to add more. I will try the egg. I will taste it with some potato and some rice. Ooh, this is huge. Great job again. Alright, this is my plate again. But before I go, I really need to thank you so much for watching, and please just don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and everything, and I would appreciate it. See you next time. Just before I go, do you see this writing? Yeah, this is mayonnaise. Just don't forget to add it to rice. It makes it amazing, oh my god. I really need to see you next time.